All right, everybody, today is the big day. Today is the day that I've been talking about for months now. The day that you guys have been waiting for months now. We are finally going to be installing some headers on my Genesis Coupe, and I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and get these things ripped open. Here they are, the NGM headers. Check these things out. So here they are in all their glory. This is everything you get whenever you order the NGM headers. You get the gaskets you need, you get all the bolts, you get the gaskets that go on the smaller side as well, the headers themselves obviously. And I'm not gonna lie, the welds and everything actually looks really high quality. Here's a better look at the left one in the sun. The welds just look so clean. Got the NGM logo right there welded on. Oh yeah, I'm so excited to get these installed on the car. All right, now all we really got to do is load the headers up into the car, drive over to the shop, and get them installed. But actually, before we do that, there's a few things I just want to talk about. The first thing, where did I get these headers and how much did they cost? So I got these NGM headers from GC Tuner. If you guys want to pick some of these up for yourselves, I'll leave them linked down in the description below. And also, how much were these headers? They cost about $575, which really is not that bad of a price for some headers. Now, on to the second thing, why did I choose the NGM headers? Well, really all it comes down to is the price, and these were the only ones that were in stock that were this cheap. I really wanted to get some J2 headers or the CNTs, but those are out of stock everywhere I looked, and they have been for the past few months. So when I saw these things pop up on GC Tuner, I was like, you know what, let's just go for it. They can't be that bad, and so far they look pretty awesome. Now, the third and final thing, I just kind of want to give you guys a heads up if you do decide to order some NGM headers for yourself. So from right now to the time where I first placed my order for these NGM headers, it's been about 5 weeks. Now, I don't know why it took so long for these things to ship and get here. However, in the description of everything on GC Tuner, it says that customer imported products can take like up to 4 weeks to ship basically. However, it did not say that these were customer imported products. So about 2 weeks go by, I call GC Tuner and I'm like, what's going on? Where are the headers at? It's been 2 weeks. It doesn't say these are customer imported, so they should be shipped by now. What's going on? And they basically just told me they have no idea, and that once they found something out, they would let me know. Well, guess what? Another week goes by, don't hear anything. So I decided to actually call the company that supplies the headers, not GC Tuner, but the company that supplies the headers to GC Tuner, and they told me that these headers are custom made from Puerto Rico and would take about 4 weeks to get here. So don't you think that'd be a pretty good thing to put in the description so people know before they order that these will take like 4 weeks to get here? But now, listen to this. The craziest part is about 2 hours after I get off the phone with those people, these things ship out. Except they don't ship out from Puerto Rico, they ship out from China. So I don't really know where these headers are from. I don't know if they're custom made from Puerto Rico or what exactly they are, but they look good quality, so I can't really complain. But yeah, that is really all I wanted to talk about. So let's go ahead and get one more cold start, some revs and whatnot with this exhaust setup before it gets a whole lot louder. Go ahead and get everything loaded up. I just noticed that this left header right here is actually bigger than the right one. The right one's just like a little shorty, and then this left one's actually like a long tube header. Huh. All right, I'm pretty sure we're all ready to go. Just pulled up to the exhaust shop, so I guess it's time to get these things installed now. All right, I just left the shop. They got the car in there. They said it should take about 2 days. I'm not exactly sure how long. They said a rough estimate would be about 2 days. So I guess I'm just gonna wait till I hear back from them, and then I'll see you guys then. It's about 4 o'clock. I just stopped by the shop to get an update. There she is up on the lift over there. I think you guys can see her, but I just walked in there. They already got one header on, and the second one's about to be getting put on. So I'd say by tomorrow tomorrow morning it should be ready. All right, everybody, it's about noon the next day. I just got a call from the shop. They said the car is done, and they said it is ridiculously loud. I cannot wait to hear it, so we're gonna go pick it up now. All right, let's hear the first startup. So right off the bat, it is a lot louder at idle. Like, it idles way louder. It sounds so much deeper. Golly, man, this is crazy. This is crazy. I'll give it some revs here in this alleyway. Oh my God. It is so loud now, dude. Oh my God. So I've just been driving around a little bit right now, and something I actually noticed, no check engine light comes on. But when I let off the gas, listen to the drone, dude. Like, I think I'm definitely gonna have to get some resonated test pipes or some mufflers, some custom mufflers on this setup or something, because it is so loud now. Like, I would not have imagined it to be this loud. Like, it is actually ridiculous. Let's see if we can get a pop on the downshift. Ooh, some nice pops. Some more pops. This is ridiculous, man. Like, oh my God, this is awesome. So I've been driving around, and man, this thing pops like crazy now every time I let off the gas, pretty much. Except for the time that I'm trying to show you guys, of course. And now there's people staring at me because it's so loud now, bro. Oh my, there was a nice pop right there. Oh my God. Let's see if we can get some more over here. This thing is ridiculous. Like, how is this even possible? Like, I don't even know. Oh my God. This is awesome, man. I love this. I'm gonna have to give it some revs back here behind this building in neutral. See how it sounds. All right. Oof, that was a big hole. Dude, this thing is ridiculous. Like, this thing is ridiculous. All right, everybody, I just pulled off over here. I've been driving around for like 30-45 minutes or so now, and man, all I gotta say is I was not expecting it to be this loud. Like, I knew obviously a full straight pipe is going to be really loud, but I was not expecting this. Like, it is ridiculously loud now, and it is so sick. I'm gonna get some more revs and exhaust clips here in just a second for you guys to hear, but yeah, man, it is so loud now. One thing you'll notice right off the bat after you put on headers is you can definitely smell exhaust fumes now coming from like this area. Like, it's not overwhelming, but whenever you're stopped or if you have the windows down, you can definitely smell some exhaust fumes. And also, one more thing, I have no idea about the check engine light. I thought that headers were the only bolt-on that you could put on that would throw a check engine light. Like, everything else is fine, like exhaust or catback, test pipes, down pipes, manifold spacer, intake, everything else is fine. I'd always heard that headers were the only thing that would throw a code, but as you guys can see right here, there's still no code that's been thrown. I'm just low on washer fluid as always. Here's a listen to the idle now. Like, I don't know how well you'll be able to tell on camera the difference, but it is so much deeper. Smell gas back here too, for sure. Let's go ahead and get some revs now. And as you guys can hear, like, it is so loud now. Like, it sounds absolutely insane. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really mind the drone that bad. Well, I say that now, and I've only been driving around for, like I said, like 30 minutes. After a few days, it might start to get annoying. but I don't know. I don't know if I should put a custom muffler on this exhaust setup, if I should get a new cat back, if I should get some resonated test pipes, or just leave it how it is, because as of right now, like I said, I really don't mind it. You guys let me know down in the comments below if you think I should just leave it full straight or put some sort of restriction on there so it's not this loud. But yeah, as of right now, it sounds really good in my opinion. Well, really loud and really good. Now let's hop back in the car and go for a drive so you guys can hear some poles. Put it in first gear. Back into sport mode. By the way, I just want to say this real quick. A few of you guys have told me that you can get it out of manual mode and back into sport mode by just holding the up paddle. That does not work for me. I have to go back to drive and then back into sport mode. Yeah, the drone around 2,000 to 3,000 RPMs is so ridiculous now. That's really why I kind of want to get a muffler or something on here, but I don't know at the same time. It might not be that big of a deal. Give these dudes right here listen to the full straight pipe. Dude, this thing is mad. Like, this thing is madness now. Like, oh my god, my ears. This is crazy. My left ear is ringing now. It sounds so nasty now. Yep. Yeah. This is ridiculous, man. Oh my god. All right, everybody. So I just got back home, and before we wrap this video up, I just wanted to talk about a few more things. The first is the stock headers. Here they are. Check out how big these things are. Now, I believe I heard that both of these headers together, the stock ones, weigh about 40 pounds, and then the aftermarket ones, the NGMs that I just put on, weigh about 14 combined. So there's some major weight savings just on these headers alone. But I mean, check these things out. These stock ones are absolutely massive, and they are so heavy, man. Like, this thing is like a baseball bat. And then the next thing, I just wanted to show you guys the headers down here. I hope you can see them. They're like right down here. I think you can see the pipe right there where I was pointing at. But man, do they look sick in here. And another thing, I just wanted to let you guys know, I heard a lot of people say that you should heat wrap your headers. I never ended up heat wrapping mine. Reason being is in cold places where they put a lot of salt, I heard that heat wrap and salt just don't mix well together basically. And it can destroy your headers faster than it should. So I went ahead and just left the headers how they were. I didn't put any heat wrap. I didn't ceramic coat them. I didn't do anything like that. And they should be fine. But yeah, there you have it, everybody. This Genesis Coupe right here is now fully straight piped in. Man, it sounds ridiculous. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. This is something I've been wanting to do for forever now basically, and I'm so hyped to have finally gotten these headers on. Like, the car just sounds like a different car now. It almost sounds like a race car, dude. It's crazy. And like I said, you guys let me know down in the comments below if you think I should get some mufflers or some resonated test pipes, or just leave it full straight piped how it is. But yeah, like I said, that is really going to wrap it up for this one, everybody. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. If you guys like this video, do not forget to drop a like and subscribe. Peace out. I will see you guys in the next one.